Greetings, Star Wars Stackers. How are you? I'm the Stacking Stormtrooper. If you're new to the channel, I'm a guy in a bucket talking about precious metals. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, get the bell notification clicked. That way you get updated with any new content. Today, I'm very excited to show all of you my brand new channel bars. However, there's a twist to this. You are going to want to watch this video in its entirety because there is going to be a hidden message throughout, like this, okay? So you're going to want to catch those words, and you're going to have to crack the code, pay attention, and then on Tuesday, February 25th, 8:30 p.m. Eastern on the Stacking Stormtrooper live auction, you're going to want to be one of the first people to enter it, and that way you have the chance to win. Also, you're going to want to comment down below, and you'll have a chance to win something else as well. So anyway, without any further ado, let's take a look at these bad boys. Okay, so they are finally here. The Stacking Stormtrooper 1 ounce channel bars. Actually, I think some of them are a little bit more than 1 ounce, so we'll see. Anyhow, why don't I just start getting right into these? You guys have been asking for these for quite some time, and you know, a lot of you do enjoy the channel rounds, but you know, a lot of us being stackers of precious metals, we want something in silver and or gold. My channel's not quite there yet when it comes to making channel rounds or bars in gold. Who knows, maybe one day when I'm all grown up.
Because you're grown up and you're grown up and you're grown up.
But until then, let's just take a look at these awesome channel bars. A lot of people do channel rounds. I figured I'll try to go against the grain and do channel bars. So this is from FFC Texas, guys. He's on Instagram. He's a great silver pourer. You know, there's a few that I've found to really like. One is, you know, obviously Silver Dragons. FFC Texas is really talented, as is Bear, who a lot of us know on Instagram, and you know, Redneck Stacker is another one, to name a few. We've got a lot in the community, but you know, this is something I've been collaborating on for the last couple of months with FFC Texas. I've seen him do some silver pours of Star Wars related items, and I just figured that he was the guy to have these poured. So let's just check these out. I ordered 11 to start, and you know, I'm just very excited for these. Let's see. And you know, right now the plan is there's going to be 20 in this initial series, and depending on demand, we may do more or change it up. But oh, that is awesome. All right, so I'm just gonna get right to, I'll open up this one too, why not? But you know, originally FFC Texas and we were talking about doing these kind of like Beskar bars from the Mandalorian, and believe it or not, I still haven't seen Mandalorian, but these are hand poured, and he actually was trying different techniques with this, and I'm just going to open up this one here, and they're individually serialized, each coming with a COA and sticker of FFC Texas, and you will also get some goodies from myself, and I can't open up the Ziploc bag, there we go, without ripping it. And this is great. I don't even know which one this is. Let's see. Oh, dude, FFC did an awesome job. This is the prototype. Look at that. The first one out of the out of the gate. Very cool. It's the Stacking Stormtrooper logo, and you know, we zoomed in on this and just put, you know, the Stormtrooper helmet right there in the front. The Stacking Stormtrooper 1 ounce 3/9 fine silver prototype of 20. He's got the raised lettering on this. You did a great job, FFC. I'm calling him FFC just in case he doesn't want his name out there, although I don't think he necessarily cares. But the antiquing of this bar is outstanding. The raised lettering is a really nice touch, and we tried to use you know, a font that is very similar to, you know, the font in which you see in all of the movies, but very cool. So that is the prototype, and I will probably time lapse, or I don't know, maybe I'll just keep going. I'll keep talking to you guys. So this is the prototype, and we'll flip it over there, And which one? This, I would imagine this would probably be number 1. Yeah, you know, it's been a long time in coming. A lot of people were asking me to do the silver rounds. Oh, this is number 8. So I figured, you know what? I'll do bars. But yeah, as you can see, guys, there's 11 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold on a second. 8, 9, 10, 11. Why am I off? 12. Wait a minute. Prototype. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What the heck? What did he do? Did he throw in extras? Hold on a second. Now I'm like, wait. Hold on a second. Prototype is number 8. What have I got here? All right. Hold on a second now. Like I mean, I'm a teacher, and hold on a second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, I counted one twice. It's a good thing I teach children. So there you have it, everybody. The Silver Stacking Stormtrooper channel bars. Say that 5 times fast. They're available Tuesday nights, 8:30 p.m. Eastern on the Stacking Stormtrooper live auctions on YouTube. And if you watched this video in its entirety and continue to do so, you will be able to get the message that you need to type into the chat when I say go on Tuesday night. And guys, make sure you comment down below for your chance to win another prize that evening. Until next time, everybody, keep stacking. Long live the Empire.
Because you're grown up and you're grown up and you're grown up.